today we have very unpleasant information about yet another Russian preparation for such massive attack. Our intelligence has the relevant information, and immediately after our press conference, after our meeting, I will be very quickly returning to Ukraine, and today I ask our people to be especially careful, to protect themselves, their families and their children, to make sure to use shelters and to heed air raid alerts. It's very important in Ukraine. We know that Putin has been preparing this massive strike against Ukraine for some time. It's not the first strike. Tonight, that is the threat we are facing. Russia's leader is absolutely refusing to end this war. And although we have conveyed to him through every possible official and unofficial channels, including through people close to him, that this war can and must be brought to an end, and that we in Ukraine are ready for meetings and for substantive negotiations, he sees only further aggression against Ukraine, against our other neighbors, against Ukraine and our neighbors, and against Europe as a whole. We must protect lives. We must strengthen our defense and respond appropriately to every threat. I'm grateful to each and every one of our partners, to all the leaders and the countries that are helping us. Of course, today and in the coming days, our air defense forces and all other warriors will be doing everything in their power. I have already given the relevant instructions to the military, the Minister of Internal Affairs, our special services, and our intelligence agencies, but we must all understand who we are dealing with and the sheer depravity with which Russia continues this war.